We're at the Mount Vernon Adult Day Healthcare Center. It is on Richmond Highway in Alexandria, and we are celebrating the 100th birthday of one of our participants.
It's a lot. Sometimes I have to use my fingers to count.
Adult Day Healthcare is for adults who, for whatever reason, whether it's a cognitive issue or it is a physical disability, should not be left alone. They need 24-hour supervision or they need help with their activities of daily living. And it's a place to come and have a social life with your peers.
The most important thing is to observe what is going on and follow or correct to make it a better place.
We have 2 nurses on staff who really keep an eye on the participants for early detection of any acute illness or changes in their health status so they can have early intervention. Caregivers have a 24/7 job taking care of their loved ones. Sometimes I think they don't realize how hard it's going to be. So they need to have a safe place and a fun place to bring their loved ones.
Well, we have to look at the world and decide what we can do to make it a better world. It's headed the right way, but then it gets mixed up once in a while. It has to have just a little shine to it.